In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make pita bread. That's right, fresh, soft pita bread. Really simple, really easy to do. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make pita bread. Really quick, really simple to do, and they will taste amazing. They're so much better than the store-bought ones that you buy. Ugh. So anyway guys, everything that you will need for this recipe is here. So guys, if you did miss those ingredients, don't worry, I will be putting those in the info box below. So do check out there for those. In the meantime, do comment, like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. Can't wait to make these and eat them. They're going to be absolutely delicious. Can't wait, they're going to be amazing. So guys, let's crack straight on. Let's make some pita breads. First thing we are going to do is we're going to take a jug of 250 ml of lukewarm water, and what we're going to do from there is we're going to add our yeast. We're also going to add the sugar, and we're also going to add the salt. What we're going to do is we're just going to get a whisk, and we're just going to whisk this up like that. We're going to leave that for a few minutes and let the yeast activate. So we're going to pop this down here, and now we need to sift out our flour. Let's take our flour. So we've got 500 grams of plain flour here, and what we need is we need a glass bowl. And all we're going to do is we're just going to gently sift the flour through. So now that we've sifted all of our flour, we're going to take our yeast mixture, which is bubbling away nicely, and all we're going to do is we're going to make a well in the middle of the flour, and then we're going to pour our yeast water in. And once we've poured the water in, all we're going to do is gently mix this in. And this is pretty much a basic bread dough. So if it's a little bit too dry, you can always add some more water. If it's a little bit too wet, you can always add some more flour. But if you don't have any flour, you can't. What we're going to do now that it's all incorporated, or pretty much there, we're going to add some olive oil into here. Not too much. Maybe about a tablespoon and a half. And just gently fold that in. As you can see, it's all really starting to come together now. We're going to keep pushing that in. So when your dough looks like this, it's nice and ready. So yeah guys, what we need to do now is we need to take some cling film and we just need to cover our dough with it. Just like that, just take a knife. Lovely. So we're going to let that sit aside for about 2 hours and let that rise. Once it's risen, we're going to knock all the air out of it, and then we're going to cut it up into about 8 pieces, and we're going to pan fry it, and our pita breads are done. And then we're going to eat them. Well, I'm going to eat them and you're going to watch. Maybe, maybe not. See you in 2 hours. So yeah guys, 2 hours is up. We have our bread dough. As you can see, it has really risen, nearly double in size. So all we need to do now is we need to knock all the air out of it. Like that. I love doing that. It's like flattening pillows. So what we need to do now is we need to divide it into 8. The best way to do this, we're going to use a knife. We're just going to go once, twice, 3, 4. And then we're going to pull them out like that. So now that we've got these individually portioned, what we're going to do is we're going to take a rolling pin and we're going to roll them out. now what we're going to do is we're going to pan fry them to cook. So yeah guys, that's how you make delicious, soft and airy pita breads. I mean, look at them, they look absolutely delicious. I can't wait to eat these. I'm going to have these with my kebabs. So guys, do remember to comment, like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves, bye bye. Subscribe and like and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video. Really?